Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The main byproducts of burning gas cleanly are carbon dioxide and water vapor. If you burn your ventless logs for more than an hour or so, you must crack open a window to allow air into your home to replace the oxygen burned by the ventless logs. 26 March 2013.
Let's help you make your mark.
Although tests show that gas fireplaces do not increase carbon monoxide levels in your home, it's wise to have the detectors if you use any gas appliances at home, including a furnace, a stove or a fireplace. Have a professional, like a fireplace retailer, inspect and clean your gas log set once a year.
Let's help you make your mark.
The damper in a gas fireplace should remain open all the time. The glass between the firebox and your home prevents cold or heat from coming down the chimney, and by leaving the damper open at all times, you eliminate the risk of having gas build up or backdraft into your home.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.